It is absolutely okay to take a step back. You have to remember you came to college for one reason, and that is for school and to graduate. So, yeah, it's good to put your hand in different pots and try out different organizations, but if you feel like that's hindering you from school or it's doing too much, it's okay to take a step back, whether it be like a week or, a month, however long you need. Just make sure you're communicating with people that, especially if you do have responsibilities.
The one thing that you need to make sure you do when taking a step back is communicate. So if you just stop showing up to your student org, no one's gonna know what happened to you. They might get a little frustrated because, hey, why did they just start ghosting us? So the biggest thing is to make sure you're talking to other members of your organization, letting them know what's going on. So tell your president, hey, I'm so sorry, I'm not gonna come today because I need to have a mental health day. Or, hey, I've really been struggling with my homework, it's gotten over my head, I'm not gonna show up. So once you're communicating and other people know, they can also be checking in on you, making sure that you're doing okay. So make sure you communicate how you're doing. That'll help you out a lot.
We're all students here, and that's why we're here first and foremost, to complete our education, to get a good education. And the organizations here are to add to that experience and not take away from it. So if at any point you feel like your organizations are overloading you, or you just don't have enough time for them, feel free to take a step back. No one here will vilify you for doing what's best for you and your mental health.